The Great Plains of India spread over 7,77,000 kilometers in front of Himalayas is dominated by three main rivers, Indus, Ganges and Brahmaputra, along with their tributaries and distributaries. They run parallel to the Himalayas from Jammu and Kashmir in the west to Assam in the east and drain most of the northern and eastern India. The Great Plains are alluvium formed by the deposition of silt by the numerous rivers as a result of an infilling of initial depression by the Himalayan mountains. This is one of the world's most intensely farmed areas. The main crops grown are rice and wheat, maize, sugarcane and cotton. The Indo-Gangetic Plains rank among the world's most densely populated areas. The Great Plains includes the following sub-regions in India: Punjab and Haryana Plains, Middle Ganges Plains, and Brahmaputra Plains. Punjab and Haryana Plains. Punjab and Haryana Plains are irrigated with water from the Ravi, Beas and Satluj rivers. Middle Ganges Plains. The Middle Ganges Plain extends from the Yamuna River to the west to the state of West Bengal in the east. It includes the following sub-regions: Ganges-Yamuna Doab. It is the largest Doab river basin in India. It lies between the Ganges, Ganga and Yamuna rivers west to the Upper Ganges Plain. The Upper Doab extends from Haridwar on the north to Aligarh on the south. Secondary transverse slopes on older floodplains have developed in the Middle Doab. The topography flattens out in the Lower Doab, where the Sindh, Betwa and Ken streams run parallel to each other. Rohilkhand Plains. It lies almost entirely in Uttar Pradesh. Awadh Plains. It lies towards the north of Ganges and gently sloping eastwards. The Awadh Plains is traversed by the Ghagra River. Bihar Plains. The Bihar Plains have been narrowed down by Rajmahal Hills. Ganges divides this region into North Bihar Plains and South Bihar Plains. Ghagra, Gandak and Kosi rivers form the North Bihar Plains. The slope of the plain is towards southeast in western part and south in eastern part of the plain. South of the Ganges and the west of Rajmahal Hills are the South Bihar Plains. Bengal Plains. This covers most of the West Bengal and Bangladesh. It is quite flat. Its major portion is occupied by Ganges Delta, which has seaward face. Brahmaputra Plains. The Brahmaputra River rises in Tibet as the Yarlung Zangbo River and flows through Arunachal Pradesh and Assam before crossing into Bangladesh from this region. Numerous isolated hillocks rise abruptly from the general level of plain, surrounded by high mountains on all sides except west. The valley slopes towards the southwest drainage into the Bay of Bengal. Click